How to fix bass on Spotify. Open your Spotify app, and then you want to tap the gear icon up in the top right corner. And then you want to tap playback. And inside here you want to scroll down to equalizer. And inside here you want to make sure that the equalizer switch is turned on. And inside here you have, on a list here, you have a bass booster. You can tap that, and if you untap it, you can see the curve is kind of flat, and then you can tap it again, and as you can see, the bass is now higher. But you can even play around with it more. The bass is actually from 60 to 240 hertz. So you can take this curve and just drag it, and you will have an even higher bass. Another adjustment you can do is to go back, and then you can go to under volume level here. You can try to have the option on loud. So this is how you fix your bass on Spotify. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.